This is the entrance. Our vehicle came in from this side. It's away from the city, okay, but not an issue. It's kind of a 10 minutes off ride, and now we are entering into the villa's tent. It's a beautiful place, and these people, they are serving us from yesterday. Nice hospitality. Hi. Yeah, okay, so let me take you through. Nice flowers. Vehicle is not coming towards this, they will drop you to the gate. And these are the villas. As soon as we enter here, you will find this nice reception area. It's really beautiful, amazing reception area. I'm just taking you through a couple of villas over there. Okay, and this is the view you get all the way, surrounded by lush green. This is the reception, and same on top they have the kitchen, and the villa where we are staying, it is right on top. Second, there are 10 villas on top. Okay, so you can see they are passing by. They are busy to prepare dinner. This is the lawn area. This is a spa. Okay, spa, and they have here bonfire. This is the reception again. See the entry. It is beautiful, well maintained, I would say. I will make a separate video for you guys on the inside. But if you are coming to say Paro, this is hardly half an hour drive from Paro. This is a must-stay place, I would say, as per my liking. This is the kitchen where we will enjoy. I like this wooden thing, beautiful lights. See, and now I'm entering towards the villa. You can see villa number 201. Pretty much all villas are the same, bigger in size. I will give you a separate villa tour from inside in my second edition, but right now this is the villa. See the line 1, 2, 3, 4, like this we have villas, and it's really a beautiful place. And that's the villa I'm staying in. This is the one, and see, it's a natural water flowing from top of the mountain. The sound will be always there for you. Just taking you through. You can hear the water sound. It's quite in nature. See, it's the green, lush green, and this is the villa I'm staying in, 207. Beautiful it is. Amazing, lavish, posh, service is good. Yeah. I will give you a separate villa tour. So now if you see this is my villa where I'm staying, and this is the spring water. And I take you down from here. towards the reception, so you can enjoy that video again. This is my fourth stay in villas, like tents, and I found this is one of the best. This is the view you get every time. Yeah, hope guys you will enjoy this, you will like this. Okay, do visit Tangerine tent villas. Yeah, thank you. I will give you other one more video for